Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Boing People TV. Today, we are diving into a truly tragic and shocking event that's left Enugu State and the Igbo community in mourning for days now. It's the story of Okezie Chikeze Mbah, the popular Ogene musician fondly known as Igbo Jah, who recently lost his life in a horrible incident involving an anti-cultism tactical squad police officer. The details surrounding his death have sparked outrage across the southeast, and many are asking, how could this happen? Is this another police brutality in the southeast? The incident took place when Igbo Jah was reportedly shot by an officer following what the police described as an accidental discharge. But it quickly turned tragic, and rather than aiding him, it's alleged that the officers in charge abandoned his body, leaving the scene and their vehicle behind. This has left so many questions unanswered. And this particular tragic event forced Enugu State residents into the streets of Enugu seeking for justice. Late Igbo Jah is arguably the king of Ogene in Igbo land. Governor Peter Mbah of Enugu State has responded directly to this heart-wrenching news. He's expressed deep condolences to Igbo Jah's family and in a gesture of support has awarded university scholarships for all his children. This is a meaningful step by the governor, who also pledged to support Igbo Jah's widow, ensuring her welfare moving forward. Governor Peter Mbah has also ordered a thorough investigation into the shooting. The people of Enugu State are watching closely, hoping for justice. This tragedy underscores the need for accountability and reform in policing to prevent future occurrences like this one. We all deserve a safe community where artists, workers, and families can thrive without fear. Before we sign off, I want to remind you that Eboin People TV is here to cover all of your stories, celebrations, and events with professional photography and videography. So kindly reach out to us anytime on the number showing on your screens. Thanks for tuning in to Eboin People TV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and stories that matter to our community. See you in our next video.
First of all, what happened to our brother Igbo Jah happened to every indigenous of Enugu State. And because our governor onye ihe na-ewute n'obi, onye na-enwe feeling of other persons, he has sent me here this morning to make some presentations to you people. Number one, His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Enugu State, Dr. Peter Mbah, had, in his magnanimity, he had awarded scholarship to the children of Igbo Jah to university level. Secondly, the state is going to take care of the welfare of Mrs. Igbo Jah going forward. So when we are done here, and also this is a serious calamity to everybody who loves Enugu State and who is an indigenous of Enugu State. I know that the government of Enugu State is on top of the matter, and they are going to make sure that justice prevails in this matter. So